Hello, students. Today's topic is concepts of ethics, ethical behavior, advantages of ethics, ethics in particular field of applications. The concepts are used in ethics. A concept is a thought or notion. It is a general idea formed in the mind. So, in concepts of ethics, ethics has been a corporate entity, unethical business practice, moral rights, concepts of justice. Ethic concepts are necessary to think about ethics, like example, good or bad, happiness. So with ethical concepts, we know that to use when we idea with the ethical concepts or issues. Next one, ethical behavior. Ethical behavior is a characterized by honesty, fairness, and equity in interpersonal, professional, and academic relationship and in research and scholarly. So, ethical behavior respects the dignity, diversity, and rights of individual and group of people. Ethical behavior refers to action considers wide one's personal values and attitudes in the organization and also in society. It has a systems like value systems, focus on a control, cognitive moral developments. So ethical behavior is very important in the organization. Next one, advantages of ethics or benefits of business ethics. So business in advantages, better ethical climates, employee commitment and trust, investor loyalty and trust, customer satisfaction and trust, long-term profits, enhance of the business reputation, positive work environment, improves the customer's happiness, builds the investor loyalty, avoid legal problems. And there are the several advantages of ethics like significant improvement to society, cultivate strong teamwork and productivity, supports employee growth, insurance policies, and avoid panel action. It helps to quality management, strategies, planning, and diversity management. So, ethical program identify in the favorite values and ensure of organizational behavior. Ethics in particular field of application. First one, bioethics. So it is the study of controversial ethics brought about by advance in biology and medicine. So bioethics are concerned with the ethical questions that arise in the relationship among the life science. So, in biotechnology, medicines, politicals, law, and philosophy. So, it also includes the study of the more commonplace of values. Bioethics also need to address emergently with the biotechnologies that affects basic biology and future human. So it is called as an bioethics. The second one, geoethics. It is an interdisciplinary field between geoscience and ethics, which involves earth and planetary science as well as applied ethics. So it will be deals with the way of human thinking and acting in relations to the importance of the earth as a system and as a model. So we have know as an a scientifics, technological, social, cultural aspects in this geoethics. And the third one, business ethics. It is a form of applied ethics or professional ethics that examine ethical principles and moral or ethical problems and that arise in a business environment. So it applies to all aspects of business contact and it is relevant to the contact of individual and also entire organization. The fourth one, rational ethics. So it are related to an ethics of care. They are used to qualitative research, especially in the research, and researchers who employs rational ethics, values, and respect the connection between themselves and the people they study, and between the researchers and the communities in which they live and work. Fifth one, mechanic ethics. In this ethics, teaching robots right for wrong, the effect of actually program emissions or artificial agent to behave as they instilled with the sense of ethics require a new specifically in a normative theories. And the sixth one, military ethics. This session does not set any reference or resource. Ethical principles in military ethics involves multiple sub-areas including a following among others. So what if an should be the law of war, justification for the installation of the military force, decision about who or who may be targeted in the welfare, methods of dealing with the violations of law of war. And the seventh one, political ethics. Political ethics, also known as a political morality or public ethics, so is the practice of making moral judgment about political action and political agents. The eighth one, public sector ethics. In this ethics, a set of principles that guides public official in their services to their constituent, including their decision making on behalf of their ethics. So fundamental to the concept of public sectors, ethics is the nation that decision and actions are taken here. So conclusion of business ethics, a company's ethics will determine its reputations. Good business ethics are essential for the long-term success of an organization. A company's ethics will have an influence on all level of the business. So we hope that all organizations should maintain the business ethics.